Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage auto postpone on the Hizo application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and in the left bar you can find the search section, the manage task, and you can find the auto postpone option. And here, if you want to enable this function, click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned purple, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. If you want to turn off, click that again, and that's it. So simple. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.